Most PCB designers are faced with an important responsibility: the preparation of output files for manufacturing. In previous versions of Altium Designer, the settings dialog contained many tabs with required inputs. Moreover, for different output formats, dialog boxes differed significantly in content. In this new release, the interface of fabrication output dialog boxes has been redesigned to be more user-friendly. Now, you can choose the output extension and other useful options. The most important thing is that all the main settings are now on one tab, which makes the process of preparing files as convenient and transparent as possible. The board layers in the new dialog are divided into groups, allowing you to quickly include or exclude them from your output data. You can also add mechanical layers to each group of layers, or to all layers at once. The unified interface of the output settings window is now available for all output formats, which makes it easy to get correct results every single time.